Here we have the current stock market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, stock ticker AMC. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comments section so that other traders will be able to find this information more easily on the platform. So as we can see here, we've started to sort of reverse the trend a bit, and we have started to post some near-term higher highs. There are some warning signs in this chart that I think that traders should be aware of. There are some positive aspects as well. So in this video, we're going to be looking at some very specific price zones so that traders can use these support and resistance areas to develop profitable trading strategies for this stock in the days and weeks ahead. So as we can see here, this recent trend movement has broken through two different levels of resistance. Essentially, this first area came in right around the 482 mark, $4.82. And then more recently, we have seen share prices also move above this prior resistance zone at $4.95. As this happened, share prices were able to generate some positive momentum. There are reasons that the stock was able to generate some positive momentum. We'll go over that. And as a result, the share prices were finally able to break back above this $5 handle, this psychological level coming in at $5 even. Near-term highs are coming in right around $5.11, and we have seen a bit of a pullback here with this sort of near-term low, very short-term timeframes, lows coming in right around $4.96. So we have seen sort of a dip back below that $5 mark briefly. So as things currently stand, what we can see in the momentum indicator right now is that share prices are continuing to develop some positive momentum on the shorter term timeframes, on a shorter term basis. So after the share price did post these prior lows at 471, we started to see the indicator reading, the relative strength index. That would be the purple line at the bottom of the price chart. We did see this area move heavily into oversold territory, coming in right around 20 in the RSI reading, which is a heavily oversold reading. And then since then, share prices have started to develop this upward trend in momentum that still remains active. More recently, what we've seen is share prices move into overbought territory. That would be during this price high coming in at $5.11. And then from there, share prices did start to roll over and roll out of overbought territory. If I was going to point to the most concerning signal here, what I would suggest should be looked at would be this movement in the purple line below the yellow line. The purple line is the relative strength index. The yellow line is the exponential moving average of the relative strength index. So if you see share prices, start to drop, and this purple line drops below the yellow line, what this does suggest then is that there is some short-term negative momentum that's starting to develop in the market. Overall, I wouldn't be incredibly concerned about this until or unless we start to see share prices move back into the lower end of the histogram here. This thing is called the histogram, this sort of mid-zone here. If we started to see share prices, fall enough that we broke below this prior trend high, then I would start to suggest that possibly, share prices could develop some weakness in the underlying momentum. Overall, the share price has been supported by positive developments in GameStop. These stocks do tend to move in a strong relationship with one another. There is a strong stock correlation between these two names. So in situations where GameStop starts to move higher, you'll also see share prices move higher for AMC. Often, not always, but often. In this case, this does seem to be happening here, and there is a very significant event risk coming in for GameStop here this week, because we will be having the release of the quarterly earnings report coming from GameStop. So this will be critically important given the fact that both of these stocks have started to rally higher. If we do see some disappointments there, it would stand to reason that this would be some weakness in the stock after seeing this prior rally. That does really open up both of these stocks to the potential for new downside. So I do think it's important for traders to start to identify important areas of support that will need to hold in order for these positive trend movements to continue. So at the moment, what I would really be looking at, most likely in terms of probability, would be the $4.91 level. At the moment, this is where the 200 period exponential moving average rests, as we can see here. That would be this sort of declining blue line. And if we did see a break back below here, this would then suggest that we would probably see a break through the remainder of the exponential moving average cluster. So that would be all four of these exponential moving averages. If we did see share prices break back below this level, below all four of the exponential moving averages, that would happen right around the 480 mark, $4.80. Then the pressure would move back to the downside, and then the bias would turn negative once again. So as things currently stand, share prices are trading above all of the exponential moving averages, and we have broken above these two prior resistance zones. So those are positive developments. To the top side, what you really need to be watching for is now a break or a failure at $5.25. If we see a break there, a break to the top side there, I do think that you could probably see another 50 cents in upward share price movement before we start to see very significant levels of resistance. However, a failure here at 525 would be very important because that would then suggest that there would be a triple top resistance zone that has formed in that region. That's going to be important because this stock tends to obey triple top resistance zones very closely. In prior videos, I've pointed to the 575 level on multiple occasions. This is a very clear triple top resistance area, as we can see: one test, two tests, three tests. And then what happened after that? Share prices really sort of fell through the floor here and then posted lower lows in the process. So what you don't want to see in this stock would be the formation of a triple top resistance zone coming in at 525, because then this would imply that this new price zone, this new triple top resistance, is coming in about 50 cents below the prior level. And for a stock that's only trading, around $5 per share, that's a significant price movement, because what we're talking about is a 10% now decline in the overall expected level of resistance. So there are some very important levels to watch here, and there are some very important event risks that will be coming up for this stock. There is a lot of optimism at the moment because we are starting to finally overcome the $5 level once again. But there are some points of caution here that do need to be understood, because there's a very major event risk coming up this week. And if this does start to cause price failures, this will also cause major technical formations to start to form on these price charts. So here's the current stock market update for AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, stock ticker AMC. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.